Today, I'm putting my inverter to the test to see if it can last as long as my solar panels. Let's find out if it can keep up. When it comes to solar energy systems, two of the most critical components are the solar panels and the inverter. These guys work together to turn sunlight into usable electricity for our homes and businesses. But have you ever stopped to think about how long they last and whether they can keep up with each other over time? Many people assume that inverters last just as long as solar panels. It makes sense, right? They are both part of the same system, so they should have a similar lifespan. But the truth is, this couldn't be further from the truth. This misconception can lead to some serious problems down the line, and it's essential we understand the reality of the situation. The assumption that inverters last as long as solar panels can lead to premature failure of the entire system and even create safety hazards. If you're not monitoring your inverter's performance, you might not even realize there's a problem until it's too late. And by then, you could be facing costly repairs or even a full replacement. The financial implications are significant, and it's not just about the money, it's about the environmental impact of replacing equipment unnecessarily. The reality is that inverters have a much shorter lifespan than solar panels. While solar panels can last for 25 years or more, inverters typically last between 10 to 15 years. This difference in lifespan is due to the nature of the components themselves. Solar panels are relatively simple devices with few moving parts, whereas inverters are complex electronic devices that are prone to wear and tear. One major factor affecting the lifespan of inverters is heat. Inverters generate a lot of heat during operation, and if they are not properly cooled, they can fail prematurely. This is why it's so important to install inverters in well-ventilated areas and to perform regular maintenance to ensure they are running within a safe temperature range. Another factor is the quality of the inverter itself. A high-quality inverter can last much longer than a cheaper, lower-quality model. While solar panels are designed to last for decades, inverters require regular maintenance to ensure they are operating at peak performance. This includes monitoring their performance, updating software, and performing repairs as needed. It's a lot like maintaining a car. If you don't change the oil and replace the filters, it's going to break down eventually. The good news is that with proper maintenance, inverters can last for 15 years or more. But it's crucial we understand the importance of regular monitoring and upkeep to ensure the entire system is running smoothly. It's not just about the inverter itself, it's about the entire solar energy system and the impact it can have on our environment and our wallets. So, to summarize, inverters don't last as long as solar panels, and it's essential we understand the implications of this difference. By performing regular maintenance and monitoring, we can ensure our solar energy systems are running at peak performance for years to come. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Have you had any experiences with solar energy systems, and what have you learned from them? And if you want to learn more about solar energy tips and tricks, be sure to check out my next video.